Higher Math exercise 5.3, we are starting exponential equation question 4. Root 3 to the power x plus 5 equals to cubic root of 3 to the power 2x plus 5. We are going to find out the value of x first. Here is a cubic root. We can write 3 to the power 1 by 2, right? How? Root n equals to n to the power 1 by n, and here is a times x plus 5 equal. Against cubic root we can write 3 to the power 1 by 3 times 2x plus 5. We know once base are same, it means a to the power m equals to a to the power n. We can write m equals to n, because once base are same, that time power will be equal. So this case 3 and 3 base are same, so we can write 1 by 2, or this one also we can write x plus 5 by 2 equals to 2x plus 5 by 3. Right? Now very simple. We are going to multiply. It's a cross multiplication. So 2 times 2x plus 5, and here is a 3 times x plus 5. Now it will be 4x plus 10, and here is a 3x plus 15. Now both sides we are subtract by 3x, so it will be 4x minus 3x, and we also subtract 10, so this plus 10 will be out, and here is a 3x already out because we are subtract both sides by 3x. So here is a 15 minus 10, and now 4x minus 3x equals to x equals to 15 minus 10, it means 5. This is our answer. So if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Number 4 done.